Let's make this origami dinosaur together. All you're gonna need is a square piece of paper, and you will start by folding your paper in half on both diagonals. Next, you will open your paper, turn it around, and fold it again in half on both center lines. Next, open the paper, flip your paper over, and pinch the sides of the paper in, like so, and just close it together and press it down. Next step, we will fold the sides of the paper in, so from here where everything is loose, fold the upper layer in, align it with the middle line, press it down, and do the same with the left side. Flip your paper over and do the same on this side. So bring the sides in, and now that you have it, you will also fold this upper part of the paper downwards to this line. So just flip it over on one side, and to reinforce it, to do the same on the other side. Flip it over. Next, you will unfold this step and lift up the upper layer and open the paper on your already existing lines. If you need, you can pinch it together to help yourself. And once it's open, press it down. Now do the same on the other side. So open the layers, lift one layer up, bring the sides in, and just follow the lines that you made in the previous step. Like so. Next, you will take one layer of the paper and fold it downwards and flip your paper over. Now you will fold this part that only has one layer, you will fold this line with a middle, so like this, and press it down to this line, so to the middle. And now do the same from this side, so bring it down to the middle part and press it down to this center line. In next step, open it and bring the sides of the paper in to the middle, pinch this part together. Like so. Now you will fold your paper in half, so just close it like this. And this will be the head of our dinosaur. So you will take this part of the paper and fold it downwards. It doesn't matter how far. Push it down. And to reinforce it, turn it around and fold it on this side. Like so. And now you will open your paper, this middle part, and press this point front. And now just close it together and fold this point of the paper to this where everything meets together. So take the beak, press it down, You can reinforce it by doing the same on the other side. Next, you will open the head of your dinosaur and push this part of the paper inwards and just close it like so. And now the head is finished. Let's start with folding the hands. So lift this part up, make sure that you are in the middle, so 2 layers here and 2 here, and just push this middle part of the paper down, collapse the sides together and pinch it together. All you need to make sure here is that you still have this point of the paper, and that's it for the hands of your dinosaur. Let's start with folding the legs. You will take the first layer of the paper, fold it downwards a few millimeters from this point right here, press it down, and now flip your dinosaur around and do the same with this upper layer, and the bottom layer will be your guideline. So make it symmetrical and press it down. Now in next step, you will fold the leg of your dinosaur inwards, like so. Press it down. And now do the same with the other. Again, the bottom can be your guideline. Like so. And now you will fold it in the other direction, so it's now inwards. Now fold it outwards, but not directly, so from this corner to about few millimeters from here. From corner to few millimeters, like so, so that you have a leg. And the same with the other. Again, bottom can be your guideline. Like so. You can finish your dinosaur here, or you can open it in the middle and fold this corner of the paper in, so you can take both layers and fold it a little bit inwards, press it down, and the same on the other side. It doesn't matter how far you go. So, and now just close it together, lift the head of your paper, and you've made your origami dinosaur. Hope you enjoyed this video and see you in next one. Bye!